Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of this M3 MacBook Air. This is the 15-inch model with 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, we have a left side profile of the MacBook Air opened. On the left and the right sides of the box, we have Apple logos. On the bottom and the top, it just says MacBook Air. And on the back of the box, 16 gigabytes unified memory, 512 gigabytes SSD, 15-inch MacBook Air with Apple M3 chip, all the features and what is required to run the MacBook Air, what's inside the box in English and Mandarin. And we have the barcode, serial number and all that right here. To gain access to the box, we have to pull the two straps at the top and the bottom. So let's do that. Now for the bottom one. Okay. Turn this around. Lift the top off. And right on top is the MacBook Air itself. So let's take this out. In this pack, designed by Apple in California. Let's get the paperwork out. Nothing else inside. So here we have quick start guides in several languages. Yep, English and Mandarin, I believe. And here we have safety and handling guide, again in a couple of languages. And we have Starlight colored Apple stickers. Here we have the 3-pin adapter for the charger. Here we have the charger itself. We have the dual USB-C outlets. And here we have the MagSafe cable. It is USB-C on one end and MagSafe on the other end. Okay, so let's take the MacBook Air out of the wrap. And now, let's open it up for the first time. And it automatically turns on. Let's set it up. We will do English UK. Okay, so now it's asking for the country or region, Malaysia. Continue. Preferred languages. Okay. Okay, let's do accessibility features. Not now. Let me just enter the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so Wi-Fi has been entered. So now it's asking for software update. I think I will continue. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes since I clicked update. It's asking me to select my country or region again, so it's Malaysia. And let's continue. Written and spoken languages. Okay, continue. Accessibility, not now. And let me do the Wi-Fi again. Okay, Wi-Fi has been entered, so now data and privacy. Continue. Migration assistant. Let me do not now. Sign in with my Apple ID. I'll set this up later. Are you sure you want to skip signing in? Yep. Terms and conditions. Agree. Agree. Okay, so I've created the computer account. It's asking to enable location services. Okay. Continue. Analytics, share Mac Analytics with Apple. Okay, continue. Screen time. Continue. Siri. Okay, continue. Ask Siri in English. Continue. Oh, right.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You
Okay.
can change it later in system settings.
Number 1. See. Okay, continue. Set up Hey Siri later. Not now. Touch ID. Continue. Let me just do this for demonstration purposes, even though it's not my new MacBook Air. Okay, Touch ID is ready. Continue. Choose your look. Let's do light. And it's all set up, as you can see. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this 15-inch M3 MacBook Air, 512GB with 16GB of RAM. Thanks for watching and goodbye.